What is going on, guys? Mikey Massini here with another quick carry review, and today I'm going to be talking about the Data Crew Xpac Wada Juniors. These guys are freaking phenomenal. I absolutely love these pouches. I'm also a big fan of Xpac material. Xpac backpacks, Xpac slings, and now Xpac pouches. The material is just so strong, rugged, robust. I freaking love it. I have the gray version here, and then I also have the orange version right there. Now, there's actually nothing in this gray one here because I had moved all of those into this pouch. And what I use this for now is actually my tool pouch. Open this up, and this is the Wada Junior, so it's a lot smaller from the Wada slider. Look at my past videos that I've made on the Wada Junior and Wada slider. You'll know the difference there. Quick specs before I do that. So the material, like I said, is VX21 Xpac outer shell. Dimensions are 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 1.5 inches. This is made in the USA, specifically downtown Los Angeles. And the military nylon thread is number 69, as always. Nice. There's a new YKK waterproof material that is used for the zippers on this pouch. And then on the inside, you have your nylon with nylon mesh inner bound with 70 denier ripstop. So yes, this is it. You open it up, give you guys a little open face look right there. Let's talk about what I have in here right now. So I do have 2 bit drivers. Yes, this, like I said, this is a tool pouch, okay? This lives in my bags or my slings. That's pretty much what it does. Up here, I have 2 bit drivers. So I have one right here. This is a Fellholter bit driver. I think that's like a Timascus top bearings spinner right there. Really nice. It looks like it has dragon scales too. And then this bit driver right here is all titanium, and this is by CountyCom. Really great company. Now, why do I have 2 bit drivers? Well, this is for doing a lot more of the heavy duty work because it is a lot thicker and it has more grip. Now, this one is what I use for my knives. So if I ever just want to tune up some knives, this is a lot less abrasive on my skin and on the actual thing that I'm working on. And then this right here is the Leatherman Skeletal. This is the topographical version. Ooh, Spidey flick. I got this one from REI. This is actually my very first multi-tool. Interesting fact. I love this because it has your knife, you have a bottle opener, this is a carabiner, you got a little bit right there for any type of screwdrivers, and then you have yourself a set of pliers. And that just lives right over here. And then over on this side are all my bits. So these are the actual bits that came with the CountyCom bit driver. So I have that all right there. And then this right here is a bit extender for the Leatherman tool, not only for the Skeletal, but it works for all of their Leatherman products that have the bit drivers right there. And then these are the extra bits. This is the bit kit that Leatherman sells. Super handy, can save you in a pinch. And I have all of that in this section right here. And I close that up and it's super slim and compact. And then of course in the front, you know, it's gonna be a little hard for you to do any type of work when you got some long nails. So I got some nail clippers right there, you know what I'm saying? With a black leather grip, because I can't be slipping. And then I also got a set of scissors. Now these scissors, I forgot where I got these scissors from, to be honest, but these right here are some scissors. You just deploy them like so. And now you have that there, because my Skeletal doesn't have a set of scissors, it only has pliers. And that is how I loaded out my Xpac Wada Junior by Data Crew. Make sure you check them out on their website. These guys are going for about 70 bucks right now. And I think they have this color, they have a gray color, and they also have a sweet pine color. Absolutely love that. What do I want to change about Data Crew pouches? Nothing. I want to change the fact that I only have a couple pouches. I want more. No, but in all reality, I wouldn't really change much. Lois and the guys over at Data Crew have been so innovative with how they make these pouches. I'm impressed every single time, no joke. Maybe a little bias, right? Because there's other pouches out there. Data Crew has had my heart since day one, and I absolutely love their pouches, their gear. Their snack time sling is what I wear almost every single day. I just can't wait for what's in store for the future. But follow them at Data Crew. Make sure you sign up for their secret club because you get to know about all of their releases before they even come out. That's freaking huge. And then, of course, follow your boy at Mikey Daily Carry on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Quick carry review. Peace out.